Hola, mi nombre es Abisadi, soy de Nigerian.
Hola chicos, my name is Richmond, I'm from Ghana.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Batsofli, I'm from Indonesia. Nice to meet all of you.
Hello everyone, my name is Pritam, I'm from India.
Hello, guten Tag, my name is Saeed and I'm from Iran.
I'm currently in Spain for the third semester of the CES 4.0 program, and we're super excited to have all of you guys join us. This for sure is a life-changing experience, and I implore each and every one of you to utilize every opportunity that comes your way.
Currently on my third semester mobility in Spain. I wish to congratulate you all for making it to CES 4.0, and welcome to Napoli, welcome to Europe, and welcome to a life-changing journey of your lives. Make the most of the time, enjoy the moments, enjoy the food, enjoy the culture, and enjoy everything. I look forward to meeting you all in the second semester mobility.
Selamat datang, maligayang pagdating, Chosobane, Swagate, Shaguto, Hoshamdid, Osgaldanis, Koskaldanis, Ahlan bika, Ekabo, Osgaldanis, Lascamo Próximo, Bienvenuto, Bienvenidos, welcome to CES 4.0 family. I'm really encourage you to enjoy your diversity of food, diversity of culture, diversity of knowledge, enjoy all of them and keep learning, keep motivate yourself. I'm saying in here just want to motivate you for the second semester and also for the people who want to take the third semester in Spain. I am really recommending you to learn about the basic programming. Among all of the courses in here, let's say 75% is about like basic programming. So you can enhance yourself to learn more deeper and deeper about the IIoT Industry 4.0, and it's turning to be Industry 5.0 with some basic things.
I am here in Spain for my third mobility. Congratulations to every one of you that you made into the CES 4.0 program, and it's really a very nice program. I'll not tell you something about how to study and what to study, and you did really very well in your previous studies, I know, and that's why you are all here. So apart from that, try to enjoy this program, whole of your life journey. It's a new experience that you will gain from here, and also don't forget to enjoy your life. And one suggestion from my end, that try to learn some foreign language, maybe Italian or Spanish, whichever you like most, and also some programming language. That will be really helpful if you are moving to Spain. So all the very best to all of you. Keep studying, keep enjoying your life, and have a safe life.
First of all, I want to say congratulations on your achievement and acceptance for CES 4.0 program. Welcome on board. And as some suggestions for you guys, I would like to say try to study tirelessly and stay focused during your lectures and courses, and take advantage of opportunities that you have, and try to engage yourself with different subjects. And if you're interested, learn new languages and cultures, and follow your curiosity. Don't be afraid of asking questions in case you have, because the professors are usually supportive, kind and helpful. And apart from these so-called academic suggestions, I would also like to accentuate that enjoy your lives as Erasmus Mundus students. And that's it.
Congratulations once more. Adios.
Congratulations to you once again. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Enjoy.
Thank you so much.
I wish you all best of luck and hope to see you soon. Auf Wiedersehen.
Thank you.
Bro, you standing your own.
And take advantage of opportunities that you have. Bro, why are you like this, bro?